Hello guys, hope you guys are doing good and having a great day. Just give me a second, let me just change quickly. Alright, let me just sort out everything, give me a minute. Okay, let me put the new data right here. Go. So category is crypto. Fine. Alright, hope I'm online everywhere except Facebook, which is I'm just gonna go live now. Okay, that's live. YouTube, I'm live. I'm just going to share the link quickly so everyone can join and then we'll start. Alright, if you're not in the Discord group, get in there. We're going to share in there. I'm live. Let's go. Here we go. Wait, what? No. I haven't even changed the thumbnail. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Okay, let me just share on Twitter as well. BC Crypto and Facebook is live. I know with this software it's just different, guys. I don't get the link first, so I have to come online in order to get the link so I can share with everyone. So for that reason I have to do everything. It takes a minute or two, that's it. And there's a lot of things to talk about in this. I had planned in the morning to come live, but again things changed, but I'm still here. Still here. Alright, let's go. You can follow me on Twitter, guys. That's the best place to follow me, and you get so much there, like all the updates, setups. I'm on Binance feed as well, like Binance feed. Yeah, I'm not gonna open that, but yeah, I'm on Binance feed. You can follow me there. Whenever, if you see my name as crypto there, you will see there eventually. Alright, so please tell me about GMT, or we'll talk about that. Hook boom check please. No way. Did hook boom? It was dropping and dropping and dropping. Oh nice. That's a good recovery. I mean, alts are so strong. I'm surprised. Like, you know, smart money is just buying this big candle. You see one big candle taking the lows right here. You know, market loves liquidity. Takes this low, this drops, takes the low, and then it goes up. Those who have stop loss here, boom, all the stop losses here and here been taken, and now it's going up. Very good. I'm holding it. I haven't sold. I only sold AGIX because I've been holding for a while, and I've sold. Yeah, AGX is down. I've sold up here 43. So I'm alright. When it comes to FET, I did sell some, but I'm still looking to sell out. Like, I want to get out of that. You know, this is something I don't want to get stuck to things. Even though it had a very good range breakout and all that, I wanted to sell in this zone up here. But yeah, it's I don't know. The problem with the market is it's just unpredictable most of the time. You don't know what can happen, so you want to be prepared. You want to have some cash around so you can deploy later on. And one thing you guys need to understand is when it comes to Bitcoin, like when it was dropping here, because the thing is, the fear right now coming is because we had the Friday news of dollar was very strong, which caused gold to drop a lot. So this is why I think there's some fear going on when it comes to BTC. We are soon gonna have a forex market chart open in dollar, so markets might be trying to price that in. Everyone knows, especially Wales knows that the dollar closed strong. So this is what is going on in my mind right now, thinking maybe the market is pricing that. And one more thing we cannot forget that is when this market spike came, I know the chart looks very bad because there's so much going on, because I'm always doing stuff in the market. This is what I've tried to guess because of what happened here. I was predicting this, and exactly that very similar move happened. You know, I was originally expecting like we might have a fake out of 25,000 before going further down. All right, what I think right now market is trying to do is, market is not trying to get the top in now. Market is just trying to take its time. So you get, the more base it builds, it's like building a house. When you have a house build going on, you see there's a base goes down, concrete base to keep the house standing. So this is what market trying to do is, it's trying to take liquidity from longs. Anyone that try to long the market up here on this high, they are stuck in the trade right up here. I need to get a clean chart for you guys. All right, I'll just use this futures chart. It's not the same, but yeah, you get an idea. This week here was a nasty one, and then we have another one which got rejected, and from there bears start taking the control. It was weekend, so bear took the advantage of that, and now we're getting rejected from the very key level, which comes from this area right here. It's been a crazy area that market has been playing a lot. So right now what I'm personally thinking, maybe market is trying to hold this, and I don't know if it's gonna hold. That's the truth right now. Right now I've been waiting for markets from here and from here, trying to take these two lows, and then I will know there's more base got stuck in this, there's more fuel, but there was not much fuel, you know. These fake outs, there's a one strong move up. This pullback should not have been broken down. If it broken, should have been recovered. The market is not looking amazing, it's all right. But the thing is, when it comes to alts are holding so well. Most of them that moved well, like a lot. Look at Gala. Yes, it had a pullback, but it's where it was before. Like if I had a small move up, yes, but it's literally sitting where it was some days ago. Not too far. FET gave a great move. FXS just ranging. Still the range has been extended and nothing really happened. What is going on? I will come to your questions, guys. Just give me some time. Let me sort out these things. FXS is just ranging, doing nothing. SHIB holding so well. All right, this is a good strength coming from coin, like every newbie chasing it. Okay, so we have a fake out of this lows right here, which means nothing. This is your actual high low, because this is where the move came, high low, and then you have a high. This is just inside range. This whole thing is range. Whatever happens here, it doesn't mean anything. It's just ranging, and right now holding strong, surprisingly. This was a good dip. When it comes to SOL, again same thing. We had a big move up. It's where BTC is sitting right now. We shouldn't break the lows, these lows. Alts are fine, but when BTC breaks, everything is gonna get sharp dip. But yeah, alts are holding strong. When FX broke this, it should not have came down like this. That's weakness. I noticed something is alts that are new moving far better than the old alts. My positions are bigger in these alts, FX and all those big ones, but they're not moving so good as I expect them to be, because everyone is holding them, thinking long term and all that. It's just not the same thing. I'm not really fan of what I'm seeing there, and I was looking to sell ILV. Trust me, I was looking to sell right around 100. I did not. Because I thought this is just, we haven't even had a gaming hype. Yes, there was a little bit run here. I should have gotten out, but yeah, it's not a big position, so I didn't even bother of trying to sell out. When it comes to SAND, still nothing much change. It's just ranging. This is your main base. As long as this hold, this is your area where the move, this, whatever happens between this and this is just a range. All right, anything here, it means nothing. Any trend line, any nothing, because you have a structure which is high low right here. If as long as this holds, it's still bullish. Alright, let's go dot. Dot try to break out. That's it. I had a pullback. Another opportunity to buy. Those who want to buy, nothing too big, major. I don't know why we're shouting. Nothing much changed. Alright, but I'm very good in positioned in crypto already, so I'm not really looking to add too much into what I already have. Ape is running slow because they have a big unlock coming next month. I think I'm out of Ape. I only have position that I'm staking, which I got it for a bit lower. Look at GRT. Nothing changed in that. Like, it's holding so well. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Just showing what about the expectation. Just wait on. I'll talk about BTC again in a minute. Oh shit, I need to sort out the screen because it's too zoomed in. Guys, give me a second. Right, I think you see it better now. Yeah, that's better. I hope. They normally show me screen here. I don't know why it's not coming up right now, but it's cool. I see many of you joining from Facebook, but I'm still. Okay, let me just get to the comments. Okay, I'm good, Riaz Bhai, thank you. I will come on BTC. Alright, again, I've already explained about BTC. I will come again. You can go back and see it yourself, because there's no point in me repeating in the middle again and again. I'll go back at the end. GRT, very strong holding. I really like GRT. I'm holding a good size position. It had a very nice breakout of a major high up here, but it's holding very well right now. It had a big like sharp dip when BTC dipped, but now it's holding very well. Alright, bulls are trying to hold the zone. This is your high low. This is where this high move came, but this is a minor one. It can just come to 0.15, but that would still be just fine. And when it comes to fill token, it's slow. It's spending so much time. Alright, if we wanna say like draw the range rather than trend line, it just faked out that high, trapped some bulls, and now is doing nothing here. Alright, this makes no difference if you're like, if you know about Filecoin, like Filecoin is I'm just tired, guys. I'm just tired. It's been last 3 weeks non-stop doing lives, doing posting, doing chatting. So much is going on, so I'm tired mentally. I really need a break. I wanted to take a break today. It's just the market doesn't let you take a break. Either it's just moving crazy, either it's giving a pullback, because the situation is people are so panicking crypto. Either they're quickly selling when they see dropping, or when it's going up, they're buying and buying and buying. Alright, so we have a liquidity which was under a trend line being taken here. We'll see what happens. For now, I have position, and I will wait for this to recover above this, and then I will see how it goes. And I might add more. I don't want to add more right now into anything because I'm fine still. It had a very nice leg up, had a consolidation, but yeah, it broke down. But still, very good coin, holding super amazing. Gave me a big run. I've been buying every time when it broke out. I've been buying from very low levels. I've been buying this breakout heavily. I was having before as well. Before this, not this, right up here in the summer. I added there, then I added this breakout, then I kept on adding on smaller time frame, and I added on this breakout as well. So I'm kind of very well positioned when it comes to one. There's only one small red candle, makes no difference. It's just on day before yesterday price action. When it comes to Mana, same. I've been buying around this area right here, December and January, like literally around here. So I'm very well positioned. It doesn't matter whatever happens here to me in small time frame, because I'm looking to make big gains here. When it comes to Matic the same thing. It's only lost 1 day of price action. Okay, 1 day. This is probably 4 hours on. Yeah, Matic is that good pullback. If it holds, that's good. If it breaks it, that's not great, but it could just still recover. It depends on overall market. AGX, sorry, still very strong, guys. I don't know. There's nothing that shows a bearishness to me. Very strong. This is your high low. That is your high low. As long as it's above this, it's still bullish. It could just keep going up forever. Not forever. Nothing goes forever. But volumes picked up so much here. But yeah, it's strong. Still strong. I don't know. I need to give it more time before I do anything else. ADA tried to trap longs up here and then rejects it, and then now it's trying to break this trend line as well, which I mean is holding at the moment. But yeah, ADA, AVAX, all these coins sucks, guys. I don't have big position in ADA, but I have a good size position when it comes to when it comes to AVAX. So I will reduce that eventually because I don't really care whatever happens. If I'm active, I want to make money in the coins that are moving. These old coins are jack shit. They're literally doing nothing. Any coin that have a big consolidation around up here, they're gonna struggle because a lot of people that are stuck in this area, they're bored and they're holding it. They want to get out at break even. They will not let the coin move. Look at this coin. This is clean chart. There's no previous history. There's no back holder. These are fresh back holder. Those who are buying right now. FET, more better coin, but it's not moving as fast as AVGX because of that reason. When it comes to Ocean, very good moving, very nicely. It's moving very nicely. I've been adding and adding into that. I've added a lot at this breakout. I've kept on adding this. I added right here, and I was live when I shared this on FOMC day right here. So I'm still good, very good in this position. I've been adding onto this. Let's see where it goes, but it's fine. It's better than other charts. It doesn't have very recent big spike. It had a very good consolidation. These kind of chart do much better, like this kind of chart. Vera, very good. Okay, it gave a decent pullback. It was going away far, but the market didn't let it. But I think eventually, just a matter of time. It tried to pull back. That's all. As long as it doesn't break this area, it's absolutely fine. It could just come, spend some time here, and then eventually move if the market is all right. Okay, it all depends how overall market is. The fear drives everything go down. I've been buying more of hatch bar around this area, around here when it give it strong candle up here, but again it's dipping. But I think those who wanted to sell are already out of the market, most of them. I slept well. I don't know why I'm feeling sleepy right now. Okay, I did sleep well. Guys, I'm not reading any comments at the moment. I'm just trying to go through everything that I want to go through in my list, and then I will take your coins. Right now, this is very good that it took this low, volume spiked, and this is a good sign. When it comes to Atom is looking good still. Nothing changed. Broke this, and now took the lows 3 days. Yesterday, day before yesterday, and the one before yesterday. So 3 days lows been taken from current candle. That's good sign. I'm waiting for this high to be broken. It had a very good 2 weeks, 3 weeks consolidation here. Broke the lower weekly high. It's still bullish. SAF, I will come to ETH and BTC at the end again. I'm not talking about ETH much. There's a reason why ETH is not moving, not creating a high, because ETH does have a big unlock coming of 2.0. I don't know exactly what it is, but there is a big unlock coming, which is causing the fear, FUD and stuff like that. So it might move well after that. Is this month or next month? I don't know. I didn't check on that because I'm not really concerned about ETH moving. Or I'm bullish long term into it, because the NFT I hold is I don't know how much it is now right now. Because for me, it was either hold into NFT or hold as a BTC. So this is the NFT I hold. Mine is slightly rare. So let's see what the floor is. The floor is right now my NFT. I can sell for 25,000. So after the fees and everything, I mean, I'll get 23,000, something like that. But yeah, right now 25,000 for NFT that I hold. This one is verified, you can see it. Twitter verified it, so it's genuine. Like, it's not just copy pasted. That's why you get this triangle. If you don't have the verified, you get round picture. Mine is not round. Okay, whenever you see someone having a normal, I'll show you what I mean. Normally you will see a round picture like this. Okay, like this round picture. So that means it's not verified NFT. Like round hair Charlie, round hair Selena. But yeah, you get an idea. Okay, I don't like this. Algo is doing shit all so slow right now. I don't like what I'm seeing on Algo. Very weak chart, very bad chart. Like, in sense of it just losing power, it's struggling to go up, then boom, all the way goes back down. And if you see previous candle, as soon as there's a redness, it goes sharply down, boom, boom. Yes, it gets picked up again. It's just not the same thing. I hate getting into these kind of charts. When it comes to this faked out to trap longs up here. Let's see what happens with this. This had a huge run last run. I like these kind of chart when it had a sharp drops, because you know there's not many back holders. Those who are like, hey, there will be a lot people holding this. We need to clear this area. It might take a time, but once this is cleared, you have a very good room to play. Okay, so it will take a time. I have small positions in these coins that I have, but doesn't mean I have big position. All of them, the one I like more, have bigger position, are the one that are moving well upside. Like OP, very good chart, very good chart, and I really like what I'm seeing here. Very good pullback as well. It's a very clean chart. Comparing to other one, you have a strength coming in, you have a good moves, small pullbacks, good consolidation, move up, small pullbacks. Very clean chart. You just know it when you see a chart which is clean. Okay, these kind of charts I like to buy rather than buying a shitty chart. If this gives a fake out of here and then move, that would be great. I just set an alert in case if it gives me that, I will add more into that. FTM, I'm bullish on this because overall the project is good and huge consolidation. There's a big sharp drop, quick drop. This is the chart I like because I know there's not many sellers stuck here. Those who wanted to sell, they are up here around these areas, okay. So this is a clean price action, so it will, even if it pull backs, I will probably add more FTM into that. Still is, yeah, it's kind of sharp, you know. My original buys that I've shared on Twitter is around this area. I was buying this in November, 0.16 and 0.18. I was literally in from the bottom, but I kept adding on it all the way up here. I have a good size position when it comes to FTM, but I want to add more because I like the chart, I like what I see. So I will see, let me see FTM because I won't remember it, so I'll just do now. It's down 11%. Maybe the coins will go down more. Doesn't mean if I'm saying something it will happen, guys. You need to understand this concept, have a right mindset that if I say something does not mean it's gonna happen. It could just come all the way down here to this area. Okay, the coins can do that. Coins, BTC drops, they all can come further down into these areas, and I'll buy more because the thing is, you might think I have a limited cash. I don't. It's just I'm circulating it. Okay, I know when to take profits from one thing which is done, is run, and move to another. Sometimes I see something is doing shit all, I'll take money from that and put in something that is doing good. LDO, I was expecting a lot more from it, but it's just not doing it. There is something that I don't know what's stopping it to move, but it had a very long time spending here. It's just not moving. I don't know who is unloading so much LDO, but there is something going on with that. But I'll keep an eye on it. I don't want to add in something which is just doing shit all and taking too much time to do anything. So I will give it time. CZ, nothing, absolutely nothing. Avoid until you have. If you wanna follow the project, if you know about the project long term, I'm just telling you everything based on the charts only. ENG, good gaming one. I have this a good size bag. I will add on it when it breaks out the range. Same thing VAT. I'll wait for this high to be broken, 0.025, and then I'll see what to do with it. Add more. Same thing with this last video I've explained. Wait for this high. Last live I did 0.04948. Like otherwise RSI is just not. Rune, same thing. It's just doing nothing, absolutely nothing right now. Maybe there's a distribution going on, whatever is going on, but bulls are probably, a lot of bulls are trapped up here, buying this high, buying this range. If market wants to dump on them, block. I have blocked. I didn't sell it up here. I missed the high, and then I was waiting for this move up. I just missed that as well. So I don't mind. I'm holding from this area. From this range, no, sorry, either from here or from here, I don't remember, but I'm still up, so I'm not really concerned about it. Sushi doing very well so far, nothing major change in this. I like it's right at a very good price. Sushi's, yeah, it broke that low, but again it broke a close above it, confirmed it. This could be very healthy, unless sushi pumped because of a news. That's different story. If it's a genuine move, means there's a genuine buyers who are buying this, want to hold it. So overall sushi, I like it. Had this range, and then range faked out right here, and then it broke, liquidated some traders. This sharp candle is a liquidation, most probably. That's how mostly the candles are when they're sharps, the liquidation happens. So let's see what happens. You wanna wait a little bit before buying things. Sushi sitting at the bottom still, nothing much change. So there's a long way for it to go. When we're going to have a DAX run. The sushi is the other one that looks decent. Let me see how big my position is of sushi. You know, I'll just add a little bit more, because I'm already in profit, so I can average it better. This coin had a big spike and I missed that. Only if I knew about this spike, I would have probably taken out. I was looking for these kind of spike in alts to take out my money. Hook, this beast is doing some crazy stuff. This is still looking good. It haven't moved much. I'm expecting it to move like AOP, ATM and stuff like that. APT, sorry. I need a leg up from Hook. Still holding. It had a very sharp deep pullback, but it's still holding very well. Magic still nice. Nothing changed. These kind of token, fresh token, they're gonna give you very good risk and reward. I mean, in sense, they will move far better than other coins, far better. I like what I'm seeing in Magic, to be honest. Let me see what my position is. I missed. I should have came online an hour ago. I have more than enough position in Magic. More than enough. I have very decent sized position already in Magic. There's a huge community around Magic as well. XRP sucks. Any of these coins that have an old back holder, they will suck. I've been saying it a lot. These coins are shit. They might move well in the coming bull market, but again, these are just not good enough. If you want very good risk and reward, these are not the coins that you wanna buy in. DYDX, a very good opportunity in my opinion. It's a very clean chart. I'd never had, I think, a bull run. It had a big run up here, but not kind of a bull run. It is a clear target up here, probably $6-7, because this is where some supply start coming. right around this area. This is your supply here, but before that there is a much clear direction that I think it can move. So yeah, I've been buying D from the dip, and I really like DYDX. The way it's looking, you know, it's all, end of the day, it's all about depending what do you think, and if you like it, then get it. Otherwise, just avoid it. If you believe in it, I see the volume is huge, very good. It's a bullback, yes, it's opportunity. I think I've already shared that on Discord as well. I don't really share charts much, but I've shared a great potential opportunity right here, DYDX. I'm not a signal guy. I don't say a signal, and I don't like signals. SNX, a good project, but again struggling. This project dropped so much. If you zoom out, you'll see it dropped so much from $28 to $1.50. I don't know how much is that, but it dropped very well. So it's not a bad project. It's a derivative project. It's a different kind, decentralized project. So again, sushi, all these, they're gonna move mostly together. This is your sign to cut that position. This is first initial sign, but this is your more of like, okay, this is gone, you better get out. This is could be called as a big range as well. Sometimes market ranges as well. So this low is quite low, like a big gap. We'll see what happens with that. I'm a buyer right here somewhere. I've added some down here as well, so it doesn't concern me as much. Floki still so strong up here. I don't know, people are holding very strong. GMX is dipping, but I like it. I like this chart. Why do I say that? Because no history at the back, right? It did had good high because of DYDX when it moves. I think this moves, this is like a decentralized change, and I like it. That's why I will add some more, because I like the chart. Clean chart, there's nothing at the back, so you know there's not much of selling pressure will be coming in this as much as it could be in other. I could be wrong. Honestly, I could be wrong in these coins. That's the truth. No one knows. Okay, it could just come go up from here, or it could come down here and then spend time and then move up. I'm not really concerned about how long it takes, because I'm not in the market for a few days. I've been for 7 years, so I'll be probably staying forever in these markets. So drop for 76 to 65. I've added some. I already have good size position. I haven't even bought recently. I probably added here, then it dipped again, then it's moving up. I didn't even add more. I just saw. But I've been buying this coin before the moves. It didn't break. I wish it would have broken this low. I would have been more bullish, but that's fine. If it recovers up here, then I might add more, but I will just wait for now. HFT, nothing. This is another coin which is I've added today because it's very juicy coin. Like literally there's nothing, no back holders. I mean, I love this kind of charts. I love to take risk in this kind of chart. This is another hand, not amazing, but it's alright as well, because there's nothing much. There's a consolidation down here. Who wanted to get out, they're already out. A very clean chart. Yes, this kind of wicks, but if it goes, it's gonna spike. Like MDT, I bought it 5 days ago. I bought it at 0.28, sold it at 0.69. So it's amazing. This kind of chart, I'm not risking too much money on this, but when they move, they give you good risk and reward. That's the thing with this. Alright, I'm not suggesting anyone go buy it. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a qualified financial advisor, but what I'm saying is it it is what it is, you know. Alright. I'm done. I'm gonna take your I'll go quickly with BTC again and Ethereum, give you my view on it. BTC right now is testing this upper high here. It tested many times before. What it did is it's trying to liquidate traders, right? I don't want to take this. Oh, shit. Alright, so this is a bearish engulfing, right? Everyone knows it. Short this market. And then those who are shorting it had stop loss up here, and this candle took all their stop losses. This candle said, fuck you guys, I'm gonna take you out. And this candle, red candle, slightly took the low of here. Those who are bullish here, this is the first place they would have put stop loss. Second was down here. And some got out, some got saved. And some those who saw the break gone in 5 minutes or 10 minutes saying, oh, it's confirmed, let's short it. I've been there, I've done that. That's why I know these things, because I've done all these things myself. 7 years you do a lot of crappy shit. Right now market this is what I don't like. It all the way went up, and then you have a very slow bleed. This is not my favorite place, and the problem is there's no volume. This could just be manipulation of weekend. There's no volume. If you see down here, there's very low volume when it comes to these here, like, and the drop, as long as we hold above this zone where we are currently, we could just but what I want to see is market holding here. We still have around 5 hours, no, 1 second, say 7 o'clock, yeah, 5 hours to go. If the market can hold 5 hours above, and then we have a next weekend open, and next weekend it breaks down, takes this low right here, okay, and then we have a quick correction, bounce, showing the bulls really want to take this long. That could be a good sign. We can go further up to 25 and more, because if the market wanted to drop from 25 already, it would have just been taken the 25, okay, it would not have dropped here. It would have gone up to 25 then taken it. So if it's dropping, it probably wants more liquidity to break 25,000. so we want to trap bulls here. Those who are buying here, their stop losses they're getting liquidated, they're stuck, okay, and now market probably wants to take these lows, take all the bulls that were buying up here, take their stop losses, or those who are buying here having stop loss. I would do the same thing. If I'm trading, I would buy here and put stop loss down here, and market wants to take stop losses and hunt them. Or there's another option. If the market is really weak, we can see a move coming down into this area, 20,500 to 21,000 area, which I have had eyes on for a while now, because I wanted market to break from here. When it faked out this big candle right here, this first one, I wanted it to come down here, do the correction. We need daily correction, bigger correction. We don't want just a choppy action. We need people getting stuck but not ranging, like they're getting liquidated properly, because this is how market works. I'm not trying to say that someone lose money. It's just, this is how it works. Market needs that fuel, okay. So market is kind of still struggling, and I think it wants to come down. I hardly added 3 coins right now, because I don't like it much at the moment. Not enough juice. Some coins drop much, some didn't, some that drop much. I don't like them, so I don't want to add in something that I don't like, okay. But yeah, I think I want market to come in this demand zone, and then from here we go up again. This is a very potential scenario which can happen, that we see move down here and then we see move up. It will be very good. It could just come it doesn't have to come all the way in this zone. It could just come here. It just come here, front run people. Like, people are waiting for this zone, but it doesn't come all the way. It could just go from here. And we have highs up here. It could just retest that. It could just test this actual demand zone on daily. It could test this high up here, which is 21,500. It could do anything, but you just have to monitor lower time frame and see how the moves are going. So it could just come down, and then from here we go up into 25. If we see these lows, 22,300 break and hold, we can see a further move down, another $1,000 to $2,000. Right, this is the goal right now, that the plan I have. Same goes with Ethereum. Ethereum took the highs up here, a very major level, trapped people very slightly here, and those who thought this is the end will just buy here. It's a faked out already. I put stop loss here. Those who are buying, holding their position for further low move around here. This week took them out, and now it's sharply dropping. And I think Ethereum won't take a while to drop. And I really want to see Ethereum coming, breaking this low, showing people, okay, I'm done, I'm going, and then trapping them. This will be amazing. If BTC does the similar thing, that would be very, very good. We have not same but similar structure here. If the market can break this low, that would be even better. I think right here we have this low, that would be very good, juicy. I will start adding more coins when I see move down. So I want to see this broken, and like this. But you wanna have to wait for the recovery up here. Okay, you really wanna see a lows taken out and a strong rejection. That's very important. Some don't understand. You wanna see strength coming, bulls trapping them, bulls trapping the bears first, and showing the volume of rejection, saying, okay, we just trapped you fuckers and I want to go up. So this is what you want to see. You don't want to just assume like, okay, faked out, but should just go up from here. No, it doesn't have to. It could just come further down. You need to wait for some kind of confirmation. Sometimes what happens is boom boom, like very quick fake outs, very quick. I've seen this, very quick fake outs. But sometimes market takes time. It gives an hour close there, because some people like to see an hour close, and the next hour, boom, then you have a bullish engulfing candle type thing, or 4 hour wick that shows you have a green and red candle, which is saying this was just a fake out and I'm going up. All right, BTC and Ethereum done again. I'm gonna go on YouTube and see the comments. Oh my god, I have so many coins to do. I'm so tired already. Guys, I have spoken about most of the coins you guys mentioned. Just go back. I have mentioned all my list, which does have almost everything. RNDR, I think I have not done that, but I need to see myself. RNDR, I don't know why I don't have that in the list, but because I hold it, it's still good. Look, what RNDR did is very good, what it did here. But because of the market condition, it faked out. There was very good pattern, very clean structure. Right now, there's nothing RNDR. It's still bullish. There's nothing changed. There's only one candle. You cannot say the whole bullish trend changed because of one candle. Like a lot of people waiting for pullback in RNDR. So I think RNDR is good buys when it comes pullbacks. But if it gives a deeper pullback, I'm definitely going to add more. If it gives a deeper pullback, I will add more for it, because my target is up here somewhere. You know, there is this whole zone. It could just go anywhere, because a lot of people that stuck here buying here, they could start selling. Okay, so far this is a very clean area. When it comes to 2.5 ish, it will be very good area. $2 to $3 between that, you can start selling as you see fit. But yeah, this is the first initial goals, but I don't know, it could just go a lot higher, because in Binance it doesn't have any bull run, maybe never had any bull run, Tom will tell, but the volume is picking up very good. So this is something that you wanna buy in pullbacks. SNX I already explained, I'm not really fan of it. Waves, look, I wanted to buy Waves this run, but because of the stable coin, what happened with Luna, I avoided it. Look at the volume coming up in Waves, very good volume coming up, but it's one of those charts which I'm not fan of. I like how it's breaking and holding right here, but again, you wanna get out of this before the price gets here. There's so many pump and dumps here, like this. So many people are stuck here. They would like to get out, but yeah, you still have 100% move to go from here, but I'm not interested in it. Thank you. Guys, if you're asking coin, ask now, and ask one per person, guys. One per person. I can't do many because I'm super tired right now. Emotion, hope you're doing well. EWT USDT. I was talking about this other day. Nothing much in this. It's sitting at the bottom. If you're bullish on the project, then you feel free to buy it, guys. The price is sitting at the bottom. I'm not in it. I don't like this. Because I was talking in someone else a YouTube stream. I said I don't like this. So many people are stuck here. There's so much supply up here. I like clean chart that are dropping clean. They don't have a lot of history here. Yes, these people are probably gotten out here on this, those who are stuck, but this is what is more important, this area, which is you have above. Those who wanted to sell, mostly they are already sold out. Why? Because when the price got up here, people that were stuck in this, so you see, this is why we call support and resistance. So people that were buying here, they stuck. When the price got here, they quickly start selling to get out their money, because I know the psychology of humans. And then when they missed, boom, again opportunity again. So the people been selling and selling and selling. So if it goes up this time, those who are stuck freshly here, they will sell, but not. I don't think there's gonna be as many. Flux. I hold Flux. These kind of tokens are which are high risk and reward. The risk is super low, but reward is good. Flux, I like it so far because they had a good spike up, good volume coming in, but again then it just gave up, and now it's trying to pull back again because of the market. But I really want to see more strength coming in Flux. Only had one big spike candle, that's all. If Flux gives a move, I think we can see a move coming up, because after this is a very clean move down. After this you have up highs here. I don't know, 100% move from here maybe, but yeah, not so sure because I don't know much about the project. Get in the coins that are hyped up right now, that have not much history back, like AGX. Why AGIX moves better than FET? FET does have previous run, a lot of back holders, but AGIX doesn't, and that's why AGX moves 2 times faster than FET. FET is old project, should be more reputable. It doesn't matter, no one really cares about that. I've done update on Ethereum already. I've done on ApeCoin as well. ApeCoin is slow because they have very big coins unlock happening next month. This month is a small one, so that's why it's just slow. Long-term investors don't want to get in something that does have high inflation. Okay, it doesn't appreciate as much. But yeah, I'm holding because I'm staking them with my NFT. I've already done LDO, HNTUSDT. Guys, I'll be here around 10 minutes more. Oh, this token, avoid it, guys, avoid it. This token was, people are mining, it had a huge run, it's just shit show. I don't know, I have no idea what this coin is about, how things are going. It moved up and then now it's just slowly grinding down. I don't know about it, sorry. Magic is done, Muhammad Riaz already. You go back, you check, Magic is already been shared. Magic is looking very good. I like the Magic. One is already done, Ahmad Ali. One is done. Doge is not done. I'll do Doge. Doge USDT. Doge not doing much. Avoid. If you're not in Doge, Shiba is better than Doge. You know, that's what I will say. Shiba chart is much clear, much better than Doge itself. Which country you belong to? I belong to Pakistan. I live in UK, but I belong to Pakistan. Doge is done. Trias, I think someone asked me about Trias before as well. That's why I have it here. Trias is looking very bullish to me, like very good chart, because understand what I was saying earlier. I like when the coins are dropping, they don't have choppy moves very close to it. Okay, so this had very good consolidation. I like this chart. The reason I put this in my watch list, someone asked me earlier about this around here. I want you to see how it behaves and then I'll add that. But yeah, it still looks very good to me, honestly. I like this chart. Now not sure if I have some. I'd rather add some. It's just one of those bets. You wanna add small, it might double your money, you know. Trios, I might already have it. It moved up today, but you know, might move further down. No one knows. So no, I don't have funds in KuCoin. I can't. I only have $50 in KuCoin left. But yeah, I'm not gonna transfer more money just to buy this. I'll just leave at 50, maybe 3x's. That's low, so you don't understand. I have 40-50 coins, so all of them don't move together. So one by one, each category moves, and they just accumulate money for me. PHP, I was just talking about with you guys. It was around here, 1.3 something. It's 1.4 now. Surprisingly, speaking of volume, I don't know what is going behind it, but I really like this clean chart. Very good. I've shared this in the Discord chat earlier. 1 second, it's somewhere up here. I've shared this chart. I don't know where, but yeah. And I've shared on Twitter as well. I think I did. I shared, yeah, right here, PHP. Yeah, I like it. I like this chart. Pretty much, very much, I can say that. FTM, I've already checked. You can enjoy it. I'll buy on your. No, you don't need to buy, Mohsen. Thank you. Appreciate that. Which continue 1 inch. Is it Delta Exchange? Is it? No, it's not. It's TradingView. It's not Delta Exchange. It's a TradingView charting software. 1 inch. I hold 1 inch, but I don't even bother about it. 1 inch. One is pretty good, you know. I've used it. It's better than others because what it does is it's like a website of comparing the cost, and it gives you a better price comparing to everything else. And I like how 1 inch when it faked out right down here. I like this 2 weeks here, but right now it tried to move up again. They got rejected today. That was a very nasty dip, but that dip took the highs and took the lows as well, like trap bears badly and longs at the same time. Huge volume picked up, but yeah, nothing much change in this. As long as it holds 0.5, it's absolutely fine. I hold some as well. FTM, LPT, didn't I just do LPT? Guys, if you're just joining, you can watch from the start. LPT, nothing much going on. It's a good looking chart. Looks strong because it didn't dip much. Means there's not panic buyers or short term buyers in this. People are buying, they're looking to hold longer term. I don't know anything about the project, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, there was unusual activity right up here, but maybe some news pumped it, and then some seller that was stuck, they sold it, but they probably it could just keep going up and up and up. Time will tell, but it looks fine at the moment. I don't like the wicks like this, but otherwise it's looking strong. Move up, and its current dip is holding. 1 day, baby. Matic, didn't I share about Matic? I did say share Matic as well. Matic is good one, strong holy, but the thing is, it won't give you 1x, 2, 3x, 4x easily. Alright, it won't give you big rewards. It's a small, low risk, low reward thing. It won't give you amazing returns like AGIX, APT, Hook, Magic, OP, all this kind of too. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, like. I don't say that on my videos, but yeah, if you want to do so, go ahead. You can share as well. It's free. You can share as well if you wish to. But yeah, it will help others as well. Have a good day, guys. I'll go now, and I'll see you in next live. Just turn on the notification so you guys get an idea when I'm online again.